good morning to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome of my YouTube channel, Yulita Follido. Guys, don't forget to subscribe of my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the button below of notification bell, like and share. So our topic today, guys, is about the mindset of the CEO. So even you have no company, even you have employee right now, but our mindset act like a CEO. So what is the meaning of the CEO, guys? The meaning of the CEO is the chief of executive, uh, the chief of the executive officer. So meaning, guys, uh, you are you are the you are the owner of the company. You have the free will to operate of your own company. So what is the company, guys? Kung sa imong trabaho karon, guys, kung unsa ang imong position karon, act like the CEO. You have to operate. So the mindset of the CEO, guys, is to encourage our employee. So you are the employee of your own company. That's why act like the CEO to how to operate of your own business. So as a warrior entrepreneur, guys, there are many kind of skills. I have the 20 skills, guys. Like example, this is my dress, guys, nga wala na ako na gamit. So para makwarta na ako ni, guys, so I create nga maging kwarta ni sa, guys. So ganina nahalinan ako og unlan, guys. Kini, guys, mani man ang mga sanina nga wala na yung mga gamit. So para makwartahan ni siya, guys. So even karon, guys, wa pa ko'y tulog kay gikan ko nag-massage. Naka-income ko 1,050. Nagsugod ko alas 10 sa gabi hantod sa alas 2:30 sa kadlawon. So wala pa ko'y tulog, guys, kay I create this video. The mindset of the CEO. Yeah, like the CEO. So guys, there are the 3 powerful weapon, guys, how to mindset, how to CEO mindset, guys. Number 1, guys, is the powerful of weapon ingon nga kanang you act like the CEO. Number 1, guys, there are three powerful inside in our body. Number 1, guys, is thoughts. So what is the meaning of thoughts, guys? Ang thoughts, guys, this is the form of product in your mind. So what is your intention of your plan? So kailangan, guys, nag-need siya action. That's why, guys, imo ning hukon according to your emotion. Unsa ang imuhang naa sa imuhang sulod sa imong kasing-kasing. So imo ni siyang i-action. Action, guys. So what is the meaning of action? Action means is kanang imo siyang intention nga imo din siyang i-action o imo hukon. And right away kung unsa ang imuhang naa sa imuhang nga factory nga naa sa imong huna nga ang thoughts. So ikaduha, guys, emotion. So ang emotion, guys, mao na siya ang feelings nga imo din tagaan siya og action tungod kay naa sa imong huna ang maong decide. That's why, guys, the mindset of the CEO, there are there are four things to decide. Number one, to decide what is your thinking of your thought of your mind. Kaduha, action. So kailangan siya guys nga with intentional action. What is your plan from your thought or from your mind? Kaduha guys, to analyze what is the purpose of your plan, of your company, of your own business. What is the outcomes? Ika-upat guys is to adjust what is your goal of your plan. So that's the mindset of the CEO guys, to give to the strong relationship of your own employee and of your own self. That's why guys, that is the secret of the mindset of the CEO. You even you have no the company, but you have the mindset of the CEO. That's why guys, even now you are the employee of our own company, our own business. Sama ini guys, ganina guys, samtang nagkuan ko ini na kuan ko ni akong mga akong gipangkuan. So ako din na decidean guys nga ako din siyang iputol-putol hangtod siya mahimo siyang daghan kay ni guys. So nakabaligya na ko online guys og naapay order guys. Ug ako na i-deliver kay dako ang gusto nga online. So mo ni ako isulod guys. Tungod kay ang akong mindset guys, even I have no company but I have a business. I act like the CEO. I am the warrior, I am the great warrior of entrepreneur guys. Simple guys sa DXN. Someday guys, we are the CEO of the company of the DXN. If you act like the mindset of the CEO, you have to decide, you have to action, and you have to analyze, and you have to adjust. Even karon guys, wala pa tayo, we have no money to purchase our product of DXN, but the mindset of the CEO guys, we have the skills. So pwede ka magbaligya guys kung saan imong skill nga imong hibaw-an nga trabaho. So be mindset like the CEO guys. Kailangan daw kayo nahuna nga unsaon nimo nga makakwarta ka. Ug kini imo gining aksyonan pinaagi sa imo ang emotion nga kailangan ko mag-purchase og DXN product kay para ni sa akong kaayuhan sa akong lawas. That's the mindset of the CEO. So you are the CEO guys, even you have no company, but someday by consistent guys nga adlaw ta mag-purchase sa product. So maabot ta sa panahon guys nga we are the CEO of the DXN company. So kini lang guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I am Julita Fulgito. Thank you guys.